Well, hi everybody, and good Tuesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. Another wet and stormy night last night. Things kind of got going around just after supper time last night. We did have some severe weather, although didn't see a lot of damage from that. It was more about the heavy rainfall overnight last night. I'll give you some of the numbers here real quick as I kind of take a look. In fact, some new daily rainfall records, and this is midnight to midnight, so it doesn't even include what we had since midnight last night, early this morning. But we saw a rainfall a total of 305 in Grand Island, 3.05 inches in Grand Island at the airport. That set not only a daily rainfall record for October 2nd, but an all-time daily rainfall record for the month of October. So it's the most one-day rainfall that we've seen in the month of October. That record went all the way back to 1914. It was set on the October 6th of 1914, and that they broke that by about 20 hundredths of an inch. Now, it wasn't a daily rainfall record for the entire month of October, but there was a daily rainfall record in Hastings for the 2nd of October, where we had an inch 41 in Hastings, and that was just since from midnight to midnight, and then we had a little bit more after that. So I think the total in Hastings was an inch 91 over the last 24 hours, and of course then there was even more than that the night before. Now these are your 2-day estimated rainfalls across the area. Again, some of the heavier rains to the northwest came from the night before, that stretch from about Broken Bow to O'Neill. And then we saw some training of storms, especially from the Sioux City to Grand Island to Hastings area, and then down towards Phillipsburg, Kansas. And in fact, down in southern Phillips County, they have been hit very hard over the last 2 days with rainfall. Just yesterday alone, they had 2 to 4 inches of rain, but on top of that, another couple of inches from the night before. So we do have flood warnings and advisories that continue. Flood warning from around the Hastings area southwestward, those green shaded areas, until 9:15 this morning. So parts of Webster County, Franklin County, far southeast Harlan County, northern parts of Phillips County, Kansas, again until 9:15. Flood advisories continue till 7:15 this morning for southeast parts of Phillips County, as well as northwest Smith County. That also goes until 9:30 in some of those locations farther west. And there are also some flood warnings along the north fork of the Solomon River there in southern Phillips County. Again, heavy rainfall, and then you look at all the other blue colors of the northwest. There's actually a freeze watch in place outside of the KSMB viewing area in northwest Nebraska. They're expecting some chilly conditions up there tonight. So cold fronts to the east of the Tri-Cities. Those folks ahead of it are still actually warm this morning in the 70s. Places like Lincoln, Heber, and Beatrice. Those temperatures will drop today. Rain chances are shifting away from us, though. Best chance of any lingering rain today would be in southeast Nebraska. Meanwhile, we're going to see some clearing take place behind that front. The farther southeast you go, the more clouds you will continue to see through the day today, but more sunshine to the north and to the west. Clouds will start to move back in later on tonight from the south. Even a chance of isolated showers and storms out there, hit or miss chances, especially after midnight, mostly from about I-80 southward. Not expecting a severe weather threat, not as much heavy rainfall. That chance will continue tomorrow, especially in the morning, not as much of a chance in the afternoon, but partly to mostly cloudy skies, and in fact maybe even overcast for some out there for your Wednesday. Keeps things on the cooler side again tomorrow. Upper 50s, lower to mid 60s for highs. Now as we get into your Wednesday night, chances of rain during the evening still not that high, but then really start to ramp up after midnight Wednesday night as we have more good chances of rain for the end of the week here, which we'll talk about here in your 7-day forecast. So decrease in clouds up north today, low to mid 70s for highs. A lot of decrease in clouds out west as well. So you're going to see a lot more sunshine out west, mid 60s for highs. To the south, low to mid 60s, mostly mid 60s. Again, early thunder showers are now starting to clear out, so I think that chance of rain looking like it's pretty much done at this point. Then we'll start to see some clearing later on today. Clouds will last longest to the southeast. You may not see a whole lot of sunshine. Still a chance of some thunder showers there. And again, those places like Lincoln, Crete, Beatrice, your temperatures in the upper 60s, low to mid 70s are going to fall off once that front makes its way through. Next 7 days here, we're running out of time, so I'm going to have to kind of hustle here. Again, those small chances of rain Wednesday into Wednesday evening, but then again, late night Wednesday night after midnight, chances of rain really start to pick up, and a really good chance of showers and thunderstorms for late Wednesday night all the way through Thursday. Kind of off and on good chances of rain and thunderstorms, possibly some more heavy rainfall, and then that rain will start to wind its way down Friday, especially after midnight. Most of those chances will mainly be before midnight. So Saturday looking good. Back into the 70s, looks good for the Harvest of Harmony Parade in Grand Island, looks good for the Husker game in Lincoln Saturday night. Sunday looking pretty decent still, highs a little cooler. Chance of rain, small chance of rain Sunday night, but most of next week actually looks like it's going to be fairly dry, but cooler. Look how we cool down Monday. It may be even cooler yet as we get towards next Tuesday and Wednesday. So again, I'm out of time, so I got to go. Hope you all have a great day, and God bless.